Well, hi, this is Jeannie, and I'm here at UVU Library, and I want to just say a few words about detail. I'd like to do my little talk about detail in front of this window because, as you can see, every little bit of detail is meaningful. And of course, it's stained glass, so of course we would be here to show you. Now, I think that this is something that you would definitely work up to. We're not going to do something like this in our beginner class. I'm sorry. But you can work up to pieces like this that have very minute detail. There's painting involved. There's cutting of small pieces and putting them together. In this, there are some that are done with copper foil and other pieces with lead. There might be some sandblasting, a lot of painting on glass. And so these details are very important. And in the stained glass area, people will say, well, if I just cut this pretty close, I can always grind it, right? Well, yes, but I think that if you do your very best from the very beginning, then you have a better chance of it being a very perfect piece. And so if you start out with a pattern, the pattern is cut with pattern shears and has to be very precise. And then after you have the pattern, then you cut out your pieces and they have to be precise. And then you go on to the grinding and the fitting and the soldering. And so it all builds on each other. And doesn't that work with most kinds of art? You start with something simple, and then you build on it, and as you're building layer upon layer, line upon line, then you get to the place that you want to be. And if that's a beautiful piece like this, that's great. If it's a very simple piece with simple lines, maybe a Frank Lloyd Wright kind of a design, that still takes precision. And so we would love to be there for you as you're learning stained glass. And if you like a stained glass piece that you would like us to build, we would be most happy to do that for you. So enjoy this beautiful piece behind me, and we will see you again next time in the studio.